What if just one scoop before bed could slow muscle loss and help you wake up stronger tomorrow morning? Welcome to Senior Club, your trusted place for simple tips to stay strong, independent, and healthy every single day. Remember when carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or standing from a chair felt effortless? For many seniors, those simple movements are harder now, not because of age alone, but because of muscle loss that creeps in quietly. Dr. Dean Ornish has long taught that small, consistent habits, especially in nutrition, can reverse decline and rebuild strength. And the best part, you don't need a gym membership to start protecting your muscles. Tonight, you'll discover the one bedtime step that fights sarcopenia, protects independence, and helps your muscles stay strong, so tomorrow, you rise with more power than the day before. If you've ever worried about feeling weaker year by year, or wondered how to hold on to your strength, this may be the simplest solution you'll ever hear. This is for education, not medical advice. If you have kidney problems or take certain medications, always check with your doctor first. Let's begin by understanding what sarcopenia really is and why it silently robs seniors of strength and independence. Do you feel your muscles shrinking faster with age, or do you still feel like you're holding onto your strength? After 60, the body naturally loses muscle. This silent condition, called sarcopenia, touches nearly every senior, draining strength, slowing balance, and quietly raising the risk of falls, fractures, and lost independence. Think back to when stairs felt effortless, when jars opened with ease, when groceries felt light. Now, for many, those same simple movements feel heavier, slower, even risky. Dr. Dean Ornish has shown through decades of research that sarcopenia isn't just aging. It's the result of daily habits, and it can be slowed, even reversed, with the right choices. The hopeful truth: muscle loss is not destiny. With the right nutrients and routines, even something as small as what you do before bed, you can protect your strength, wake up steadier, and walk lighter. Have you noticed daily tasks, like rising from a chair or climbing stairs, feeling harder now than just a few years ago? Sarcopenia doesn't just shrink muscles, it quietly steals independence. Weaker muscles mean greater fall risk, slower recovery from illness, and fatigue that turns even the smallest task into a struggle. Remember when standing up was effortless, when stairs were just steps, not obstacles. For many seniors, those once simple movements now feel heavier, daily reminders of strength slipping away. Dr. Dean Ornish teaches that independence after 60 is built on daily habits. Stronger muscles protect not only movement, but the heart, the brain, and even emotional resilience. The good news: this loss isn't destiny. With the right nighttime habits, you can slow muscle decline, lower fall risk, and hold onto the strength that keeps you steady, confident, and free. When you wake, do you feel strong and steady, or do stiffness and weakness greet you first thing in the morning? Sleep is not just rest, it's repair. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, the signal that tells muscles, rebuild, heal, grow stronger. But when the body lacks fuel before bed, this repair stalls. Instead of gaining strength, muscles are broken down overnight, slowly feeding the weakness of sarcopenia. Remember mornings when you woke refreshed, steady, and strong. And compare them to mornings of stiffness, aches, or heaviness. That difference often begins with what happens, or doesn't happen, while you sleep. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us that timing is as vital as action. The nutrients you give your body before sleep decide how well your muscles rebuild through the night. The good news: by pairing quality rest with the right bedtime nutrition, you turn every night into a window of healing, and every morning into a chance to rise stronger. Do you think of the food you eat, especially before bed, as medicine for your muscles? One small scoop before bed can change everything. Protein or collagen feeds your muscles during deep sleep, the very hours when repair is at its peak. Instead of losing strength overnight, your body quietly rebuilds it. Dr. Dean Ornish teaches that food is medicine, and timing matters. Protein at night delivers what your muscles need, right when they're repairing, to slow sarcopenia and protect independence. Skip it, and your body repairs with an empty tank. Night after night, breakdown outpaces repair, leaving you weaker. Many seniors who add this habit notice the difference in days: steadier legs, easier steps, and mornings that feel lighter instead of heavy. Think of it as tucking your muscles under a blanket of repair, waking not just rested, but stronger. Do you ever snack on sweets before bed and notice you wake up slower or heavier the next morning? Skipping protein, reaching for sweets, snacking late at night. It feels harmless, but while your body should be repairing, it's battling sugar spikes, inflammation, and restless sleep. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us, avoiding sugar at night is as protective as adding protein. Both shape how your muscles rebuild. The good news: with one small bedtime shift, swapping sugar for protein, you move your body from breakdown to rebuilding. By morning, the difference is real: lighter steps, steadier legs, stronger days. Which feels easiest for you to add before bed? Creamy cottage cheese, crunchy almonds, thick yogurt, or a simple shake? The best way to fight sarcopenia overnight is with foods that release their strength slowly. Cottage cheese, unsweetened yogurt, almonds, or a light protein shake all deliver steady amino acids through the night, feeding your muscles while you sleep. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us that healing happens when we align habits with the body's rhythm. Slow digesting proteins match the body's repair cycle, giving muscles fuel exactly when they need it. Think of it this way: every scoop before bed is more than nutrition, it's a promise to yourself. Each night, you're not just feeding muscle, you're protecting freedom. You're choosing to rise tomorrow steadier, stronger, and more independent. What would it mean for you to keep your independence strong for years to come? How soon can you feel stronger, faster than you think? Within just 2 weeks, many seniors notice steadier steps, firmer arms, and mornings that begin with less fatigue and more confidence. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us, the body responds quickly when you give it the right support. With proper nutrition at the right time, results can be felt in weeks, not years. The earlier you start, the sooner confidence returns, because every night of repair is one step closer to lifelong strength. Did you ever think the timing of your food could matter as much as the food itself? One of the biggest mistakes seniors make with protein is believing that more is better. Too much in one sitting can overwhelm the body, straining the kidneys, causing bloating, and leaving you uncomfortable instead of stronger. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us that health is built on balance, not extremes. One scoop before bed is enough to fuel repair without strain. Think of it like watering a plant. Too little, and it wilts; too much, and it drowns. Muscles thrive on steady nourishment, not overload. Do you believe small daily steps, repeated with care, can protect your strength better than waiting for big changes? One man in his 70s began adding a single scoop of protein before bed. At first, nothing seemed different, but within weeks, mornings felt steadier. And within months, his family saw it. He rose taller, carried more, and his smile showed the pride of strength returning. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us that lifestyle medicine doesn't just prevent decline, it restores quality of life. Strength is measured not only in muscle, but in confidence and freedom. This is why nightly protein is so powerful. It's not about bulking up. It's about reclaiming independence, lifting groceries, steadying your steps, or holding your grandchild without fear of falling. If your family could notice one change in you, stronger arms, steadier steps, or a brighter smile, which would mean the most? To get the most from your nightly scoop, pair it with a calming routine. Dim the lights, set aside screens, take gentle stretches. Together, these steps create the perfect environment for repair and let you wake stronger. Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us that health is built on patterns, not one-off moments. Protein, relaxation, and restorative sleep work hand in hand to slow muscle loss, strengthen your body, and protect your independence. Think of it as a nightly gift: fuel for your muscles, calm for your mind, and rest for your body. The result: mornings where you rise clearer, steadier, and with strength you can feel. Here's the truth: sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, silently robs strength, balance, and freedom. But one simple habit can fight back. Just a single scoop of protein or collagen before bed fuels repair, rebuilds muscle, and helps protect your independence. Dr. Dean Ornish teaches that small habits, repeated daily, shape your future more than anything else. One scoop may look simple, but it compounds into years of steadier mornings and stronger steps. Each night is a fresh chance. Each scoop is an act of protection, guarding your strength, your clarity, and your freedom to live life on your own terms. Will you add 1 scoop tonight to protect your strength and your independence? Your muscles can be rebuilt. Night after night, your body has the power to heal, to repair, and to grow stronger again. Each scoop before bed is more than nutrition, it's protection, renewal, and freedom returned. As Dr. Dean Ornish reminds us, lifestyle is medicine. It's the small, steady steps that preserve independence, protect the heart, and add joy to daily life. And here at Senior Club, you're not alone. Thousands of seniors are making these same simple choices, rebuilding strength, and proving it's never too late to rise with confidence again. Stay strong, stay healthy, subscribe and join the Senior Club family, because your best years of strength are still ahead. What strength would you love to feel first? Climbing stairs with ease, lifting your grandchild, or moving with confidence again? In our next video, we'll reveal the one common evening drink that quietly weakens muscles instead of protecting them. Many seniors sip it daily, never realizing the silent damage it causes night after night. Don't let a simple habit undo the strength you're working so hard to rebuild. Your muscles deserve protection, not sabotage. Don't miss it. The difference between losing strength and gaining it could be sitting in your kitchen right now, and we'll uncover the truth together. What do you think this evening drink might be, and is it already part of your nightly routine?